What's up? I'm Elias, singer of the Extreme Vocal Coach, and today we're going to talk about something that's sabotaging your vocal progress. Your own damn brain. How many times have you thought, oh, I'd like to try a scream, but I feel so stupid? Or maybe you did try, but super quietly, behind a closed door, like you were doing something wrong. Dude, I want to tell you something really important in music and in self-expression in general. You have to learn to not give a damn. Stop caring about what other people think. Stop caring about your own doubts. That little voice in your head whispering, I must look ridiculous. What will they think of me? Shut it down! Stop sabotaging yourself! And don't get me wrong, I know it's not that easy. But you'd be surprised how many of my students improved drastically just by changing the way they think when they sing. And I love seeing the transformation from someone shy and embarrassed to make weird noises to someone confident who believes in what they're doing, who believes in themselves. And I know what you're thinking. Easy for you, Elia. You're not shy, you're outgoing. Dude, I'm a shy introvert by nature. When I was a kid during a school play, my teacher had to call my dad to come hold my hand so I could sing in the choir with the other kids. And I was the only one like that. I have so many stories like that, but here's the point. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you start. Don't let fear stop you from expressing yourself. Be real, be authentic, show who you are. And I promise you, people will connect with you. Don't be afraid of looking stupid to yourself or to anyone else, because whatever you do, there's always going to be someone who judges you. Always. So find the courage to do what you love and you won't regret it. If I had kept thinking, what will people think of me, making weird sounds on camera or singing in a metalcore band? I wouldn't be here. I'm a long-haired guy covered in tattoos, living in a tiny village in Italy with fewer than 200 people. There's no culture for extreme vocals here. Most people are super conservative. I know they judge me, and I know some always will. But that doesn't matter. You can't let that stop you from being yourself. If you were born shy and introverted like me, it's time to be shy, introverted, but brave human being. Hope this video gave you the spark to start truly expressing yourself. Share your story with me down in the comments, and if you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post quick tutorials almost every day. Links are in the descriptions. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can book a private extreme vocal lesson by sending me a DM on my socials. I teach people from all over the world, and I'd love to help you too. That's all from Elia. See you in the next video. Get some!